Some recipes aren't written down, they're handed down. A pinch of this, a handful of that, the way Gran folds the pastry, how Dad always overcooks the potatoes, but we wouldn't have them any other way. Because Christmas isn't about perfection, it's about the moments in between. The laughter over lumpy gravy, the debates about Brussels sprouts, the candles we light for those who taught us those recipes. This Christmas, leave what's on the table to us and save your time for who's around it. HARPWELL & Sons, your recipe for Christmas.